एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन, ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट इशू है जो कि एनवायरमेंट से रिलेटेड है। क्यों हमारे जंगलात मैदान बनते जा रहे हैं? वाई वी आर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग forest into lands. One of the example is seen in England. Similarly, in Pakistan, you can see Murray as well. Pollution affects the ecosystem. Now keep in mind that whenever we talk about the environment, there should be a balance between the ecosystem and the biodiversity. Ecosystem means water, air and soil. If there is proper availability of water, air and soil, then there will be proper nourishment of animals, plants and of other vertebrates and of invertebrates. But pollution has affected the ecosystem in 21st century, and this leads to the loss of biodiversity. Now, tropical rainforest is rich in vertebrates, invertebrates, animals, plants, and even in microorganisms. That's why it is known as climax forest. Now, why there is clearance of tropical forest? One of the important factor is the use of woods. हम लकड़ी का इस्तेमाल अपने मकसद के लिए कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो फर्नीचर बनाने के लिए हो, पेपर बनाने के लिए हो, या चाहे सिंपल एक पेंसिल बनाने के लिए लकड़ी का बेजा इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. Need of a land. Human beings now need a land. With the increase in population, they need land for their proper habitation. Even for industrial revolution, they need land. For agriculture, they need land. So forests are transforming into lands. This is because of all the usage of wood. This is because of the need of land. So per year, we are losing 7 million hectares. And this is very dangerous for the human beings as well, because once the ecosystem get disturbed, the human beings can be threatening for themselves. So soil is degrading without trees. If there is no tree on the upper layer of the soil, then soil starts degrading. This will not affect the plants only, this will also affect the microorganisms which are present in the soil. And in other terms, it will affect the whole nature. Even it affects the food chain and ultimately the human beings.